Hi guys, many students are asking me what are the relevant materials for November 2023 exams for CA Intro. As everyone know that CA Institute has not released from 2022 onwards, no updated materials are available. Last time the institute has issued study materials in 2021 year only. So for all subjects except taxation, you have to read ICI study material 2021 plus May 2023 RTP, concerned subject RTP. Like generally we find amendments in law and taxation. That's it. Now this rule number 1 is applicable for all subjects except taxation. For taxation, the institute has released, for taxation subject, institute has released study material 2022 only for income tax. By the way, not GST also, only for income tax. They have issued 2020 in 22 year study material they released, okay, which is applicable for May 23. So that material plus RTP for May 2023 you need to read. Getting it? And along with RTP, there is something called academic update. There is something called academic update materials of 2 for GST. 2 materials were released. So those 2 materials, so that you need to go through, like for taxation. Sir, reading study material, finding all this is a bit difficult. Is there any easier option? Yes. Option 2, directly download Shreshta materials, our institute materials for our own institute, faculty made materials. You can directly visit our website. Like I'll show you the website here. So this is the Shreshta for cacma.com. You just open the website, go to resources, CA Intro. All the PDFs are free. You just click on this: accounting, main book, solutions and learning notes, law, main book and other laws. This main book consists of amendments also. Amendments PDF is also given. Like let me show you once. So just it's getting loaded. So I'll come to that law. Yeah, I think it's open. You see here, this is the index of company law, where at the last book we have given already amendments. Then coming to paper 3 costing, no amendments at all. Okay, so whatever is the new material is coming soon. Already we have previous version, but we are upgrading costing material. So the new material will come somewhere by June end. And paper 4, coming to income tax myself I'm preparing the material and the lectures also. So from June 10th or 11th you will find the material here. GST completely updated for November 2023. You need not look at any RTP. This GST material if you download, that's it. RTP November attempt will come right. So in that, if any amendments were there, just you need to read. So GST, I think there is no material available in the market which is latest applicable for November 2023, which is completely amended provisions. So we have given that PDF, which is free. You can download the PDF, simple. Okay. Now same way for group 2 as well. Of course, in group 2 there are no subjects which contains amendments. So like auditing, generally people think of amendments in audit subject. In audit also there are hardly 1 or 2 small amendments which I have covered already in the RTP May 2023 video, very 1 or 2 amendments. So this is completely latest material, applicable, relevant for November 2023. Then paper 8, economics, we have made a very complete new material of approx 300 pages with all problems involved. So this material will come in next 3-4 days, probably I can say by May 30 or 31st you will find the PDF here. That's it. So I think I've clearly explained you the relevant material for November 2023 attempt. See, the institute has not released new material for existing course, considering that new course will come into picture. But it is very clear and evident from the past 1 or 2 months based on the discussions that new course, there is no chance of coming anytime soon for May 24 also. But the council is going to hold a meeting in June 2023. So maybe at that meeting they might decide whether new scheme will be applicable for May 24 or not. So let us not speculate anything about new scheme. All of you, whoever is thinking of new scheme, stop thinking about that. Registered for whatever the courses you are eligible for, happily proceed further. Later on, if at all new scheme is announced, what? Very simple, just convert. Hardly 1000 rupees to 1500 is what they charge with the books. Getting it? So conversion you can happily do. So that's it. So don't think about new scheme and all. It is not sure. Nobody is having clarity. See, this is the reason why I have not made a single announcement regarding new scheme in the past 4-5 months, if you observe. Getting it? The only reason is whatever news that is circulating on the social media, Twitter or Instagram, whatever, is all completely based on half information or based on false information. They're not true. Believe about news scheme only if an official announcement come from ICI. Please. Okay, that's it. So that's about the November 2023 applicable relevant materials and my take on the news scheme. So all the very best. Proceed further.